Pues, pues. This is a very great word. Do you know the meaning of this word? Pues, 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 pues. This means well and so. So if you want to say well, dot, 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 so, dot, 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 you can use this. So can be used in different situations in English, but in Spanish we have pues, also we have entonces. So we're going to talk about how you use pues when you want it to mean so. Well, also in Spanish can be bueno, bueno, but you can also say pues. Did you know that? Let's look at some examples using pues, pues. ¿Vas a venir? ¿Vas a venir? Pues no sé todavía. Pues no sé todavía. This means, are you coming? Well, I'm not sure yet. This is a great example. The first part, ¿vas a venir? This is a question and it means, are you coming? ¿Tú vas a venir? We don't need tú. We can just say, ¿vas a venir? It's a very casual question. Someone might ask if they're wondering whether you're going to show up somewhere or if you want to come like to a party or a meeting or any kind of event. Vas means literally you go or you are going. We don't have it here. A means to, and venir means to come. So the literal translation is a bit odd, but the question itself, ¿vas a venir?, is very similar to saying, are you coming? Okay, so let's not complicate things. Remember, ¿vas a venir? Means, are you coming? And then we have pues, well, no sé usually means I don't know. You can say this by itself, no sé, and that means I don't know. But if you say no sé todavía, that means I'm not sure yet. It's similar to saying I'm not sure yet. Todavía means yet, by the way. But remember the whole phrase, no sé todavía, I'm not sure yet, or I don't know yet. Okay? So this is a very interesting phrase. Let's move on. Let's look at the next example. The next example is tengo hambre. Tengo hambre, tengo hambre, tengo hambre. Pues comamos algo. Pues comamos algo. This means I am hungry. So let's eat something. So this is a great example. Another great example that shows clearly how to use pues. We are talking about, hey, let's just do something. If you have a problem, let's solve it. So tengo, and we can't literally translate this because tengo means I have. Hambre means hunger. But when you say tengo hambre, that means I am hungry. Okay, so this is not a literal translation. We can't do a literal translation here because remember, English and Spanish are two different languages. So we can't literally translate everything. So, pues, So, comamos. Comamos means let's eat. Comamos, comamos. You can even say this by itself if you want to say let's eat. Comamos, let's eat. This comes from the verb comer, which means to eat. Algo, algo means something. Very simple. There's nothing complicated there. Tengo hambre. Pues comamos algo. I'm hungry. So let's eat something. So if someone says this to you, tengo hambre, you can say, pues comamos algo. And here as well, if someone asks, ¿vas a venir? You can say, if you want to, pues no sé todavía. You know? So, are you coming? Well, I'm not sure yet. I don't know yet. Excellent. Remember, pues is a great word that means well, and it also means so. We can see it here. In this example means well, and in this example means so. That's very cool. That's very cool. Share more examples using pues. If you like this lesson, please give it a like. Also subscribe. Share more examples using pues. Thanks for watching. Gracias por ver el video. Adiós.